tide. This was especially then when there was also a heavy rain coinciding with the high tide. During normal conditions, such as in fine weather or lecturing, the grass gates are closed and upright. The barrage keeps the reservoir water separated from the sea water. With the crest gates in the default upright position during low tide, the reservoir water level will be higher than the sea water level. Thus, the crest gates prevents the fresh water from flowing out into the sea, hence keeping a constant amount of fresh water in the reservoir. With the crest gates in the default upright position during high tide, the sea water level will be higher than the reservoir water level. Thus, the crest gates prevent the sea water from flowing into the reservoir and contaminating the fresh water. The following scenario shows what happens during heavy rain and low tide with the Marina Barrage in place. Rainwater is collected in the reservoir when it rains, causing the water level to rise steadily. Storms or heavy rain during low tide can cause the reservoir to overflow and flood the surrounding areas. Flooding can happen suddenly, as rainwater fills up canals and waterways, causing them to overflow in just half an hour. However, a sophisticated monitoring system allows the crest gates to be operated very quickly. Water rises, the crest gates are open to discharge the excess water. Storm subsides, the crest gates are raised back to the default positions when the water level returns to normal. Shows what happens during heavy rain and high tide with the Marina Barrage in place. When heavy rain occurs during high tide, the increased reservoir water level may cause flooding in the low-lying areas of the city. The high sea level prevents the crest gates from being opened to release the fresh water. To overcome this problem, 7 gigantic pumps are activated to pump the excess water into the sea. The excess water is released into the sea through the discharge channels.